Hi students, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to give you a brief tour of Canvas. So as you come into Canvas to our ELIC 140 shell, I just wanted to point out just a couple of things. So you'll start here on the home page. You'll start here on the home page, and I wanted to also point out on the right, sometimes it's on the bottom of your screen, but on the right there is an important to-do list. And so I would encourage you to go to the home screen and find out what is on your to-do list for a particular week. And it will give you the assignments with the due date and the time. Also on the home page is just a short welcome message. You can click here and hear my welcome message for the class. And of course, see my contact information, and then there's a link to a short welcome video for how I hope this class will help you in your future work, in your future career, your future as a community member. Another important aspect of our Canvas shell is the announcements. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the announcements. And you want to also kind of keep looking here at the announcements. I will be posting announcements pretty regularly here. The announcements will typically include announcements for upcoming class sessions. And so the announcements will have typically an agenda for the class, a Zoom link for our in-class meetings, and agenda items, documents to download for our class meetings, and other class activities. So be checking out the announcements. One important thing that I want you to be aware of is you can download the app of the student app for Canvas onto your mobile phones, and that way you have the announcements actually pop up, or you get notifications for announcements as they come up in the class. The main portion of the course really is actually the modules for the class. And so you'll see here a Getting Started module, course resources and information, and we'll start off with week number 1. And the modules are actually divided by course pack sections. So we have basically the books that we're reading. For example, Warriors Don't Cry is our first book in this course, and you'll see the assignments posted for that particular section in the Warriors Don't Cry course pack. There's also the Reading Composition course pack, and these are assignments and activities that will come up in that first week's modules. So all the modules are divided really by weeks, and I try to post the next week's modules by usually Saturday night or sometimes Sunday for you to begin working on. The other elements in the Canvas shell are also grades, and I'll explain more later about how to check your grades. There are also some resources for your use in Office 365. You can download things like PowerPoint, Microsoft Word for use in your class assignments. There's also NetTutor, which I will explain later, and also the MJC Library and Learning Center. You can go directly to the Library and Learning Center websites from within Canvas. Both NetTutor and the MJC Library and Learning Center offer ways to get tutoring appointments, or NetTutor allows you to upload your own papers there and get online help with looking at your paper and getting feedback on it before you turn it in to me. There is also Name Coach, which I hope you will use. Some of you have already used this in other classes, so Name Coach actually saves the pronunciation of your name, and I just want to let you know I'm really interested in pronouncing your name correctly and using the name that you want me to use with you. So please go in and use Name Coach. I'll just go in very quickly to, oops, I think in the student view it doesn't quite have the same view, but basically Name Coach allows you to record your name for me, and I can go in and listen to your name and make sure I pronounce it correctly. All right, I hope that tour gives you an idea of how our own course shell works. I'm going to go back up to home here. I just want to let you know that if there's anything you don't understand about Canvas, do please feel free to email me or leave a message for me on my phone, and I'm happy to go over anything that might be confusing for you in Canvas. And we can do that over the phone or via Zoom. All right, let me know if there's any problems, and we'll be in touch.